to my channel. I wanted to make this quick video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a faux magic ring, and to start I'm using a 4.0 crochet needle. So to start, I do my first chain very differently from people. Some people will loop it over their fingers to make an X, or under their fingers to make an X, and that just does not work for me. So how I start my chain, I both of my fingers, it's almost like tying a shoe, and then I take the tail and I pull the loop through just like that. What you do is that you're gonna pull tight, and I make 4 chains for my magic ring. Some people do 2, but I'm gonna do 4. So what you do is you yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through again, and you'll have 4 chains. Where I start next is I'll put my hook through the first chain, which is right here, and it'll be on your hook like this. You're gonna have 2 loops, and then you're going to take the yarn over, and then pull through both. So this hole right here will act as your magic ring. Make sure that you don't do it through this top part, but right in the middle of this ring. What you're gonna do next is that you're gonna insert your crochet hook in the middle, and once you do that, you're gonna yarn over, pull, and then you're going to make a single crochet. So I'm gonna do that one more time. You're gonna put your needle in the middle of the ring, yarn over, and then you're gonna have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're gonna yarn over again and pull through, and that's 1 single crochet. So we're gonna do that again. Insert the needle in the middle of the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through again to have another single crochet. I do this about 7 times depending on what project that I'm working on, but I'm going to do this 5 more times. So again, insert your hook in the middle of the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your crochet hook, and then yarn over and pull through again. Now I have 7 chains into the magic ring, and what I do to join it, I normally only go in through the back loop, but today I'm going to go in through both loops of the first chain that you made. So you're gonna have 3 loops on your crochet hook like this. You're just gonna put it through the first stitch, the first chain, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all of them. And that's how I make my magic ring, and you can close it by pulling the yarn tight like this. So then you'll have your own faux magic ring, and that's just the easiest way for me, and I have been able to make a whole lot of different projects with just this magic ring. So I hope that really helps, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.